my loved ones, welcome back to my channel. So today I got steak and peppers. You could call it fajitas, but if you want fajitas, you want the vegetables not to be so soft. But here is a couple of ingredients that I used for this recipe. I got some strip steak, my special seasoning, Worcestershire sauce, olive oil, soy sauce, beef bouillon, assortment of bell pepper, onion, red onion, and brown sugar. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and cut up all the veggies, and I forgot to film the onion, but I also cut up the red onion and the white onion as well. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and add the olive oil and a half a stick of butter to my wok, and I'm going to saute the vegetables. But if you want to make beef fajitas, you want to cook the vegetables with the meat, but you don't want to cook the vegetables as long as I cook them because you want them to have a little crunch. But I wanted steak and peppers, and I didn't want them crunchy. I actually just wanted steak and peppers. Okay, so once the butter has melted, I'm going to go ahead and add my assortment of peppers, my red onion, and my white onion. And if you want to make fajitas, then don't season the peppers, but I'm going to go ahead and season the peppers to absorb some of the liquid out of the peppers. Now for the meat, I purchased this meat from Smart and Final, and it's already sliced, so I'm just going to go ahead and cut them in half. We're going to go on ahead and season the meat. I'm going to use soy sauce, Worcestershire sauce, the beef bouillon, and my special seasoning, as well as some brown sugar. And then I'm going to go ahead and mix it all together. So now that my veggies have gotten soft, I'm going to go ahead and place them in this plastic bowl, and then we're going to go ahead and add the meat and cook it. And yes, this is how my vegetables is looking. I'm going to also add them back into the pan after the meat is done. So I go ahead and add the meat into the juices from the vegetables, which was the olive oil and the butter, as well as the juices and the liquid from the vegetables. And I'm going to go ahead and cook my meats. This is how you want your meat to look. I'm gonna go ahead and drain off the liquid, and then we're gonna go ahead and add our veggies back to the wok. Now that I drained the meat, I'm going to add a little bit more of olive oil, and I'm going to go ahead and throw my veggies on the other side, and then I'm going to go ahead and let them cook a little bit in the olive oil, as well as add my jalapeno. You want to add them at the end, because if you add them at the beginning, it will be way too spicy. And then mix it all together. Now I'm going to go ahead and add my minced garlic, and I like the flavor of the garlic mixed with the peppers and the steak, so that's why I added it at the end. So after the garlic, I'm going to go ahead and add some soy sauce, and then I'm going to add a little bit more of, I'm going to add some red pepper flakes to make it a little bit spicy for me, but this is optional. You do not have to use the red pepper flakes. And that is it. The meal is done, you guys. You can add this with some rice, some mashed potatoes. You can throw it in a flour tortilla, however you want to eat it. But this is it, you guys. Thank you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to please like, rate, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to share this recipe with your family and friends. I love you. Talk to you soon. Bye.